Curated insights in 60 seconds is just what you need for your day.
For many professionals, emotional intelligence is a critical skill. Most people call it a soft skill, and I don't like that term. I like critical skill because it helps get people through the tough times. And so when you think about emotional intelligence, the quick breakdown is that it's self-awareness and self-management, which everybody needs, especially event planners when you've got so many different things that are going on and there's changes, there's new demands, there's last minute, corrections to things, there are things that go wrong the day of the event. And so they're really having to manage their emotions and understand what they're going through, but then how do they react to things? How do they improve on the situation based on what they know and how they're able to pivot on a dime with things that go wrong? And then it's also the social awareness piece, understanding, active listening, communication skills, but then relationship management as well, not only with their clients, but also with their team members, the AV team, everything that's going on. Event planners and meeting planners do a beautiful job of managing all of those things, but really we can all get better at emotional intelligence because emotional intelligence has 58% accountability for our performance. So over half of what we do well is attributed to emotional intelligence.
If you'd like to learn more about this speaker, visit our website at thekeynotecurators.com. There you'll find dozens of videos of speakers that are a perfect fit for your event. If you'd like to reach out directly, please click on the link below in the description. My name is Seth Deckman, and you've been watching Curated Insights in 60 Seconds.